Guys, this is Angry Tom Tom channel, and today I am using my copy trade function. I'm using this guy Tony. He's a legend. He got a great track record with a good Sharpie ratio around 7.9. As you can see, he made a lot of his copier make a lot of money, right? So he is in a position right now, shorting Bitcoin around 59,138. I think he's short around 11.6 BTC, and in my copy, I got like a slippage. Look at this, 58,960, which is not the same. So when you do a copy trade, you look at his position, and there might be some slippage. So mine is around 50,960. So this is important. So his execution, it is 59,170. So look at that. It's a no, I'm sorry, 58,000. The one on the right, the entry price 58,965. So you got a slippage around 5,960. Okay, you got a slippage around $5. Okay, well, it make a difference. So basically this guy is opening. So let's look at the position on the daily chart. It is on the downside channel, and also it is bearish on the daily chart. Why? Because look at this moving average, like 9 days and 50 days. It is crossing. Look at when this is crossing the 50 and the 9. Look what happened. It can't close above that. It's just going down, and I draw the channel too. Okay, but on the weekly, it is it is also, let me change the moving average. Is kind of too far. I think it's resting on the 20-day moving average. Okay, look at that. So okay, on the daily it is downside, but on the weekly it is not. It is just a correction. Why is that? Because it's not crossing below 50-day moving average. Once there's like a cross, everything changes. Okay, when there's a fucking cross, things can change. What the fuck, man? I think I move like, okay. Look at the cross here. Okay, this is the on the weekly, it's still bullish, and on the monthly, of course, it's gonna be like still bullish, right? Look at that. It's just a minor correction. It's not even touching the 9 days moving average around 49,576, right? So if you want to look at the crossing, just you can look at here. Okay, look at in this here. Okay, it is crossing. The green line is like on the top, on the main, and then on here, and then it finally breaks this bear around 31,500 something. Okay, and then you can buy when it's like around here. You can buy, and maybe on this correction too. Okay, so that's the crossing moving average. It's really important. So basically this, I think, for the short term he might be able to make money, but for the medium term, I think him is gonna close. I don't know if it's gonna be at the loss or something. Because if you look at the ranges of the yesterday low, it's around here. Okay, so we basically trading in the inside day 56,487, and then 60,841. Okay, so it's trying to go up here, but I don't think it has the power yet. Maybe you have to wait like for 1, 2, 3 days for you to be able to short. Maybe if the weekly is like still strong, you might wanna wait a little bit before you going short. Okay, so right now I'm in the minus because it's like 58,960. Right now is like 59,462. It was positive like for half an hour. Basically, this is not an easy day to trade because we are inside days, so it could be bouncing this area from 6841 to 56. So it's like a it's what $4,000 ranges. It's kind of hard, so you have to draw your support and resistance, which is yesterday it breaks around 59,191 around here. Okay, so basically it's trying to close above this what do you call this 59,191 dollar and 60 cents. I made money with Tony actually, and every time this guy like open, it's really hard because it's hard to get him. I got two copier. Okay, one is here, one on top. I think I'm gonna cancel this because it's making money, but this guy is always put out like a lot of trades. I don't know what he's doing. It's not bad, but it's not spectacular either. For I started to copy this guy from the April 21st, so it's been like more than 10 days, maybe 12 days, or almost 2 weeks. It's only yielding like 1%, which is like $100. So, and he's not closing it yet. I think I'm gonna close it because I got like a locked up period until May 21st. I think I'm gonna change it to Tony or someone else more capable. So basically, this is like a high risk, but it's also high reward. um you can see the copier trade here. Like a lot of people makes money with around, even like $5,000. They made like 22,000. Then 38 k, they made 115%. This is like insane return. Look at all this, all this profitable guy. But you want to go to the balance history, but you want to go to trade, but I would want to go to the position history, so I know if he's losing or he's winning. Okay, this is the he's winning. Okay, and he also lost. Look at that. But his gain is more than his loss, so he can make. Okay, so he lost like 20K, right? Look at that. 20K, 28K, let's say 29K, and then he made $37,000 back. Okay, so he's still positive actually. Look at all this winnings. Okay, that's 29,000. That's only 9,000, which is not a lot compared to his asset under management. Okay, so he lost like 14, but he make decent amount of money. Every time he lost like, okay, he lost like, let's say here 23,000, right? So he is making it back somewhere around here. Okay, so he make that back even though he lost. So so this is how you look at the position history. You also want to look at the asset under management, which is 3.9 million. And you can see the copier is like full at like 1,000. Look, every time I get out of this just to take my profits, someone else get the spot. I'm still positive around 2,000 something, because I think I profited from him before. If you see my balance history, uh I don't know if you can see it like in the past. Okay, it's gone. It's used to be here, I think. I made like some money with him, but it's fine. I don't have to because I closed it, so all the history are like changing. But basically, you want a trader with a high percentage of a Sharpie ratio. It means he made the right decision compared to the risk that he got. Look at the graphic. It's kind of it's pretty good. It doesn't go down. The drawdown is only like 18%, which is normal if you want to get a higher return. Okay, and then if you go look at the 30 days, it's still a positive 63%. 90 days is like 5,800%. That's insane. Okay, 7 days is 14%, which is not bad. Look at the winning rate, it's only like 61,000. Too bad I cannot look at the winning versus the losing. Okay, that's the okay. Look at the PNL. Okay, so basically he opened up 11 BTC position. I don't know why is he so confident. You know, he said he's a training god, whatever it is, but he's only been trading for 64 days, and he's already managing 3.9 million. I will see. He's the legend, you know, because asset under management is like at least 2 million, and the copy trader is like 1,000, and he doesn't put more people to be in this position. So I'm right now minus. I was like -2 before, and then positive, and then I don't know how. I like this guy because he only put like one position instead of this guy. He got like a lot of bunch of position. What the fuck, man? I don't even understand his strategy, you know. But it doesn't generate a lot of income, but it doesn't really move that much, as you can see here. Look at this track record. Okay, he's wow, he got a private blah blah blah, but it doesn't really matter. So follow the trend of increasing to gain higher. However, it only increases at the moderate, like riding. Okay, so this guy has been trading for 2 days and 7 days. I mean 2 days. He already got like the 0.84%. Okay, this is the public. In this within 7 days, he only met like 1.68. But look at the Sharpie ratio. It's like fucking low at 4.15, right? So I don't like this 4.15 stuff. I think it's too low. Look at the 30 days. It's only like 15%. The drawdown is like 1%. Look at this 0.25. And then look at the 90 days. Only 3.65%. That's what I experienced when I was, you know, like a couple days ago. You know, it's like really, really low. He has like a really, really high win rate. Look at that, like 89%. He make a lot of position. He's insane. And his asset under management is like 9.3 fucking million. And the copy amount is like 6,000. Like, it's insane, you know. He managed like 9. I guess, like, you know, you don't want to get like a lot of swing if you trade like 9 million. Because 9 million, if you have like a 10% trade, isn't gonna be like 1 million, like, you know. So I guess you manage things differently if you are managing more money. Okay, so I don't really blame him. And the private, he only managed 30,000. There are a lot of trader beside him. So that's his position. So you can like so I'm just gonna be posting because I want to know how Tony trade. How is it so fucking good, you know? Like look at this copier PNL. He's only like 3.9 million, but the copier is already making like, you know, look at that, like 505 fucking $1,000. That's a lot, man, for 64 days of trading, man. Like, you know, that's insane, you know. Like look at the ROI, like 5,800. Oh my goodness. Even this guy like, you know, can't do that much in terms of the percentage. Okay, 1.68. That's like, you know, like that's like the other guy was 14%, right? So it's like, I don't know, like seven times lower. You know, I know it's like less risky. And then in the 30 days it's like 15.68. But Tony has like 60%. So it means like almost 4 times of Tony is like 4 times better than this guy if you're impatient like me. And then 90 days, like 97.45%. That fucking Tony is like, oh my god, it's like 5,800, and he's been trading for um 142 days, and he still cannot even beat Tony. You know, I know his status is a master. Okay, look at the asset under management is only like one. Maybe it is his copier. It's only like 800 copy traders. Tony has like 1,000, and asset under management is 1 million. Tony has 2 million of his copy trade. I guess so. I don't know what that 9.3 million. Maybe it is his own money. So there are a lot of traders for you guys to choose, but I think I choose this guy because he got more interesting return than any other copiers out there. Um, okay, so you can check a lot of traders actually here. Um, this is my favorites. There are a lot of trader, but I'm looking at the Sharpie ratio because I like more stable return than like up and down, and I'm gonna be like uh filtering it with 90 days. Sharpie ratio is a number one for me. So this is like my the one that is in my pick. Um, um, but when I look at it, if you're confused, basically you can do like a mock trading. So you go to copy, you go to mock, and see which trader make money or not. Okay, okay, for instance, this guy 2025. Okay, look at this drawdown. Okay, 7 days is only it's only like 10%, but he wants to make millions, so his drawdown is like 37%. Do you want to be in that position if you have a lot of money? Maybe if you have like only I don't know, 5,000, 10,000 to burn, maybe you can have that drawdown, but I'm not ready to get that 37 drawdown. If I put like 20k with 37%, oh my god, I don't know how I feel. Even like 20% is already big for me, but 37%, I mean, isn't that too much? Even though you make money, like I don't like the way it swings. And then this guy, Fear of Gojuang, it's been trading for 32 days. Okay, and the Sharpie ratio is only like 4.06. I don't really like it, even though the drawdown is 7.57. So don't just look at the return, but look at also the Sharpie ratio. I think this guy is slightly better. He's been trading for okay one. Okay, he even the even him is like 20%, which is higher than Tony, and his ROI is only like 138%. Tony is like 5,800. Oh my goodness, this is insane. Okay, um, look at this guy. The bill is paid. He's been trading for okay. Look at the throwdown. Okay, this guy is pretty good. He looks pretty good, but his raw ROI cannot beat Tony. Okay, he's only like 174%, and he only asset under management is only like 41,595. Sorry, my video actually is supposed to be short, but I wanna review all the copy trade guys, so you can decide which that you want. He only accept like 200 copiers. I don't know why. um I don't know why. He could make like more copiers so he can make more money. He took 10% profit sharing just like Tony. Okay, but I guess people like his return. Okay, this is his position history. He doesn't make much, but people still go with him. Okay, maybe he's pretty good as of now. I don't know about in the future. Okay, that's the COPYTRADE. You can see the balance. People seems like it, so maybe you could give it a try. It's 53 days, and the return is not bad. I think I could recommend this. The bill is paid trader too. Look at the Sharpie ratio. It's 7, and the drawdown is only like okay 7 13%. Okay, this one is pretty good in my opinion. But if you wanna be safe, you wanna wait for, maybe 60 days or more, then you could wait. But this guy is still doing good. Versus this guy is, the drawdown is 20%. Maybe you need more time. This guy is like 113 days. This guy is like 53 days. He's never experienced any losses. So okay, okay, look at this guy. It used to be good, but is still like losing, and his drawdown is 60%. So I'm gonna stop mocking this guy, and I'm gonna stop the mock copy. So every time you're not sure about the trader, just do a mock copy. And this guy is not bad too, actually. But this guy, you have to lock your funds for 30 days. If you don't wanna get tied up to 30 days, then don't go with this guy. His asset under management is 8.8 millions. Okay, wait, let's look at the 7 days return. Is something like 8.92. Okay, 34%. Okay, he is the master because his asset under management is like 1 million, but this COPYTRADE is only like 800. Okay, if you want to get locked, maybe this one. But why would I want to get locked? But I don't know. I don't know how he trades, but I don't like his Sharpie ratio is like 4.35 only, and the win rate is like 56. So wait, let me. Okay, this is the drawdown is like 14.48. With that drawdown like 14.48%, I expect higher ROI actually, because 122% within 90 days is not much. If you divided that by 3, then it's probably 40%. You know, you could, but if you click this, the money maker is number 1 actually in the Binance. Look at that, it's ranked number 1 to help copy traders making money. And look at the copier, look at this, 2.2 fucking million. I mean, whoever like copy him like makes good money. Oh my goodness. But he wants 20% profit sharing. Okay, and you can use API for so this is the option. But if you have like 10k, his target is like 100k. I don't know if that's feasible, but I don't know. I mean, that's okay, that's the Sharpie ratio. It's like choppy like that. That's why he locked the position, because people doesn't like his Sharpie ratio. This is a PNL, it's like that too. And look at this guy. Okay, with the 7,000, they make like 58,000. Oh my goodness. Within 120 days. What the fuck? I don't know, is this real or I don't know, unreal? Look at that, like, that's insane. Look at that, it's not a bad return. So maybe between this guy and maybe this guy is a maybe you want this guy instead of my trader. Okay, so I recommend this guy too, 0x July. But I made a mistake. I locked it, so I don't have I cannot move to a different trader if I don't like the way they one of them like lost me like 10k. What the fuck, man? It's like I'm mentally handicapped after that. So okay, this guy doesn't have a good return. He said he's in the first place in the 2022 Binance futures. Oh my god, but he lost. I mean, he got like 21% drawdown. But I don't like his Sharpie ratio. Okay, he's managing like 12.1 million. Oh my god, this is not like, you know it's not like a joke. Okay, he is within 90 days, he's ranked at top 1 among all lead traders. But I still don't like this guy, because his Sharpie ratio is pretty low for my taste. Okay, this is how it looks, the PNL. Okay, it's up and through. Okay, this is this trading his past few days. I think he trade last today. He bought Pepe near, okay, XRP, blah blah blah. He doesn't lost a lot of money, but I don't know why within the 7 days he made like he lost money. So I don't know why. But okay, look at the 90 days, only like 157%, and then 30 days 0.29, and 7 days. So I'm not that impressed. Look at this 30 days on like 0.29, because he lost 229,000, which is, I mean, not a lot of money for him, because it's not even 10%. Maybe it's like 2%, but I don't really recommend this guy yet, wow, his backings has a lot of money. 230K. Wow, 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 wow. I'm not gonna recommend this guy. Maybe I recommend this guy better than my trader, but you have to be willing to give up 20% and get locked for 30 days, or you can join this new guy. You could join this guy if you want, but he's a new buy, so, or I don't recommend this. It's too much. Okay, this is one that I recommend also, if you are a little bit more risky guy like me. Okay, he made 507K, okay, for his copiers. But I do not recommend this guy if you want to get like a, you know if you want like good, like a spectacular return. You're gonna get like locked for 30 days, and the return is only like, unsatisfyingly, I don't know, for me it's not. But if you want like a very low drawdown, I think this guy is it, so you said like asset always increase steadily with no risk. I believe that, but the return is like, oh my god, maybe it's better if you put money in the deposit, maybe like in the banks, but still it's, I don't, I'm not patient enough probably. Okay, so basically this is my review, and I hope this is like a very useful. I'm not a good trader, I make a lot of mistakes, and I'm like very impatient. So if you guys are like me and not good at trading and not recommended and lost many times before, and you need to be like you need someone to hold you back, and I think you should do copy trade. It's, it's taking out the stress, but first you got to do the mocking trade to see which trader fits you the best, and you look at the Sharpie ratio. It's almost 8. It's pretty high. But you also have to be willing to see the drawdown, which is 18%. Right now he's using all my buying power. I invest like 12,387, but his margin is also like 12,357. So it's like almost 100%. Yeah, like he used my money. He has not used any margin yet. Okay, so I'm not that confident that I will win this trade, but I'll let him do his stuff. It could go down. Actually, it doesn't look that super weak, but it doesn't look that, it could go up more because of this moving average. Everything is like above. So if it is like cannot break this, then it will take some time to go down. It could take maybe tomorrow, or it's not gonna be today, maybe, if the moving average is like supporting the price. So we'll see what happened. I just want to know how this guy trades. um you could like trade by yourself just by looking at this position, because if you open up this and if you can see the real-time position, you can take the same trade like him, or you could have like a better price, or you could like short right now, and wait until he closes his position. Okay, that's how you do trade. Some people are, you cannot see the position that he's having. So that's it, guys. Thank you for listening. I hope you guys will make a lot of money in the future, and maybe do some copy trading. If you don't want to use real money, just use a mock trading. Okay, you don't have to use a real money. You can always go to um wait, okay, just to go to the copy trade, and then you go to the copy on the bottom, and then you go to the mock on the top. Okay, you go to the mocks, you can see how your trader perform before you put your hard-earned money inside. uh okay, that's it. If you have like cold money that you don't even use, I think you should try to put it here. Thank you guys for listening. Always stay strong and question everything. Don't be so emotional, just leave it to the professional. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.